Welcome to the future of fitness, where artificial intelligence is your personal trainer. In the following sequence, we delve into the universe of AI-generated fitness schedules, customized to cater to individual requirements. It's all driven by data, your individual records, your fitness aspirations, your dietary practices, all meticulously scrutinized by sophisticated algorithms to create a workout regime that's distinctly yours. What's more? It's all automated. The AI takes on the heavy work, so you needn't. No more speculation, no more uniform routines for everyone. Just personalized, data-driven fitness plans built to enable you to attain your goals swifter and more effectively. For the business-minded, this AI-powered fitness transformation presents a fresh potential. You can provide these tailor-made fitness plans as a secondary business. By employing AI, you can aid others in reaching their fitness aspirations while constructing a lucrative venture. So, are you prepared to welcome the future of fitness? It's time to permit AI to elevate your training.